could have got that
Me,
bread.
Pig Pie. Hey guys, Pig Pie here, and today, well, right now, we're on the boat, and we're on top of the boat, and it's cold out here.
Yeah.
Out here, and here is a Ferris wheel. Never mind. Wow, it's the bed, and it's so
Right here.
Awesome sauce.
Be quiet. You, over here. Hey, you, in the sink stuff. Be quiet.
Who that?
Be quiet. Hi. Get out of the way of the Ferris wheel. I'm trying to show the Ferris wheel. So yeah, here's a Ferris wheel and stuff. And hey, now you're in my way.
I'm just trying to get it on the opposite side.
See? Here. Ew, what's that over there? Blue light. Look.
Beautiful.
I don't know what the blue light is, but it's still cold out here. Why is it so cold? Oh.
Now I got the flash.
Okay, I think I was in a picture. So yeah, just me vlogging
Take a
on
picture
top
standing right here.
on top of the boat where it's so cold. And I am wearing a leotard. I don't have sleeves on. I'm really not wearing anything. Why did I do
There's a
this?
castle coming.
Why did I do that? That's bye guys.
A huge castle.
Okay, like the video, subscribe, and peace out.